Welcome to Learner Point. Welcome to our video guide on achieving a fit and healthy lifestyle with equipment-free home workouts. Benefits of home workouts. Comparing gym and home workout settings. Why spend on gym memberships when you can enjoy the benefits of home workouts? Convenience, flexibility, and savings await. Clearing a workout space. Create your workout haven. Clear your space, ensure good ventilation, and let's get started. Dynamic warm-up, getting your body ready. Start strong with a dynamic warm-up. Get your muscles warmed up and your blood pumping. Full body workout routine. Let's target every major muscle group. From push-ups to squats, we've got you covered. Cardio boost, jumping jacks and high knees. Elevate your heart rate with cardio bursts. Feel the burn and boost your stamina. Cool down, stretching and relaxation. Don't forget to cool down. Stretching helps prevent soreness and improves flexibility. Importance of hydration and nutrition. Hydration and nutrition matter. Fuel your body right for optimal performance. Progress tracking and goal setting. Stay motivated by tracking your progress. Set achievable goals and celebrate your victories. FAQs about home workouts. Let's address common questions about home workouts. Q1. Can I build muscle with home workouts? Absolutely. Body weight exercises can help you build muscle and strength over time. Q2. How often should I do home workouts? Aim for at least 3 to 4 sessions per week, allowing time for rest and recovery. Q3. Are home workouts effective for weight loss? Yes, combining cardio exercises and strength training in your home workout routine can contribute to weight loss. From beginner to fitness enthusiast, home workouts empower all. Get ready to transform your life, no equipment needed. Ready to start your fitness journey? Dive into our detailed blog for a comprehensive guide. Subscribe for more fitness tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching.